Hello and welcome to a free tower. I just picked this up off of a local community app where you can get in touch with neighbors, and I just posted, hey, I'm looking for old computers. If anyone has any they want to get rid of, I'm your guy. And look at this beauty. I just picked this up just now. The only thing I know about it is the model of the motherboard, so I know it's an Athlon XP in there, but otherwise I don't know. Right off the start, obviously floppy drive. We've got a light on, CDRW, excellent. DVD drive. And these, you don't see these often. These are drive sleds. Unlock it there. Pull it out. This one's definitely empty. Oh, look at that. We've got ourselves, looks like a SCSI connector, January 99. That's deliciously old. Let's see what this guy is here. Yeah, he's got a hard drive in him for sure. Another SCSI job. Ooh, they slide off. Very nice. Let's see what we have here. It's an IBM Desk Star. Yeah, it's IDE actually, 40 gig. So we'll have to see what's going on there. It's got a couple fans in the drive sled. That's pretty cool. Oh, nice. All right. Let's see what else we have going on here. On the back, I don't know if you can see it very well. I'll lift it up here. Yeah, we've got standard connectors. We've got a dual head graphics card. Double VGAs, I'm gonna guess we're looking at maybe a Matrox card. Ethernet, doesn't indicate the speed. Probably 100 megabit from this era. And down here, this is a pretty serious business sound card. Looks like 2 1/4-inch headphone outputs. Looks like dual optical and dual coax of some kind. Probably for either left and right channel or digital audio. Awesome. All right, let's see what's going on inside. Yeah, it looks like these screws have been turned many times in their life, so that's probably, yeah. So that comes off. All right, we've got our floppy connector up there. Looks like space for another drive. That'd be an interesting place for one. Oh, now that comes off nice and easily. All right. Let's see what's going on in here. All right. Got 300-watt power supply. Take out the graphics. First we're gonna have to undo this IDE cable. It's got a Promise IDE controller, which makes sense. There's another IDE controller because there were 2 drive sleds, 2 opticals, and another internal hard drive. So this thing was rocking up to, what, 3 hard drives? 3 hard drives and 2 opticals. Let's see what we've going on for a graphics card here. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a Matrox card. It's a G45 Plus. I don't remember exactly what that is, but Matrox made some pretty awesome cards. They were pretty popular for dual-headed cards. Interesting that it has a grounding cable connected to the heatsink. Okay. We already know it's a Promise IDE controller. That's not interesting. I'm definitely going to replace that with a SCSI controller because SCSI is life. All right. Looks like a pretty basic network card. Yeah, it's a Realtek card. But it's got space for an EEPROM for PXE booting, which I'm going to make a video about that because PXE booting is awesome. I'm going to order a couple of these EEPROMs because my 3Com 3C905B also has a blank socket for it. I know revision 2 of this motherboard. He texted me the model before I picked it up. I know it supports version 2 supports PCI 2.2. Which is what you need for supporting Wake on LAN. So this might also work for Wake on LAN. last thing here, our mystery sound card. I honestly have no idea what this is. I haven't seen one with optical outputs. So look at this. So we've got 2 opticals, 2 1/4 inch, or what are those? I think they're 1/4 inch. Yeah, like headphone size, and 2 kind of RCA size. It's a Xilinx chip. It's a Steinberg 24-bit PCI digital audio card. Huh. I've honestly never seen one of these. I'm gonna have to do some research to figure out what this is. Everything about what this guy gave me and just the way he's talking about computers led me to believe he did some fairly high-end stuff. So I would not be surprised if this is for like music production, something like that. All right. So this is the second computer from this haul today. This one's definitely much newer. I don't know exactly what's in it. He gave me a copy of Windows XP that came with it. So that sort of gives us an idea. Look at that. New in the package. It's in German, but you know, such is life when you live in Germany. Stuff ends up being in German. But that's cool. I like it. Oh, there we go. There are the specs. This is a Core 2 Duo, 3 gigahertz. Wow, 2 gigs of RAM and XP Pro. That's not a bad machine. I'll probably put Windows 7 on that because I'll put XP on the Athlon, or yeah, that'll go on the Athlon. So this will be a good Windows 7 box. Let's see what else is going on here. Zip tie, cool. Get up and close here. We've got 4 USB ports. I don't know. What do you reckon? Video or audio? Oh, it says SP diff. All right, that's digital audio. PS2, onboard LAN, all our audio. Dual head DVI card, awesome. I'm gonna guess, let's see, maybe a GeForce FX. Yeah, maybe a GeForce 4 Ti. We'll see. And Firewire card. Don't see that very often on PCs. All right, let's see what's going on the inside here. All right, that comes off decently well. Whoa. Look at that. That is much more graphics card than I anticipated. So we've got a SATA hard drive, awesome. We've got big cooler on there. We've got 2 sticks of RAM. Let's see how big these are. You know what? I'm not. Oh wait, the thing said 2 gigs. All right, so those are 1 gig sticks. All right, this is a beefy graphics card. It's even got its own power connector. This is more than I was expecting for this PC. All right. Here we go. Oh, that's beefy. All right, let's see if we can figure this out. Okay, I bet that's gonna tell us right there. Looks like GeForce 9800 GT, half gig of DDR3, TV out, and dual DVI. Excellent. You know, I bet this will be a pretty decent card. I'm excited to boot this thing up. All right, put that back in. I guess there's nothing else of note in here because we're talking about Firewire card. Everything else is kind of built in here. We've got standard issue Samsung hard drive. Let's see, motherboards and Asus P50L Pro. We'll have to look up the specs on that. I can already see it's got half dozen SATA connectors on it. Yeah, PCI Express. It's got 2 PCI 1X, 3 PCI. It's got 2 open banks for memory. So I'm really happy with this. I was looking for a mid-range PC for just probably a dual boot of Windows 7 and Linux. you know, play some Age of Empires, play some StarCraft, without my MacBook catching on fire like it does when I play games like that. So I'm really excited. This is awesome. Oh yeah, and it's got I guess, an LG Super multi-secure disc. Let's just call it a DVD drive. Yeah, let's call it a DVD drive. All right, guys, time to show you the third and final computer that I got today. When I was being so thankful for him giving me all this stuff, when he saw my face when he pulled this computer out, he said, I know this is going to the right place, because my face absolutely lit up. Check this out. It is a G3 Power Mac. Look at this thing. Even in the original box, you don't see that much. All right, here we go with the specs right here. This is a G3 233. All right, 192 megs of RAM. I don't know if that means up to. My German's terrible. CD-ROM drive, ATI 3D Rage 2, graphics card, Ethernet, Mac OS 8 pre-installed. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting this. I was expecting just the Athlon. This is super exciting. I was bidding on one of these on eBay. I lost. I was kind of disappointed. And so to have this just show up here, I mean, wow. I mean, eBay is the easy way out, but turns out also just asking people if they want to get rid of any old computers is also a good way of doing this. All right, welcome. Look inside to get started with your new computer. Oh, nothing would make me happier. Look at this. This is beautiful. I love these old Mac keyboards. That is so satisfying. ADB connector, of course. It's even in excellent condition. It's not yellowed at all. It'll just take a couple wipes of alcohol swabs and that thing is gonna be beautiful. Look at that. Mac OS 9 presenting Sherlock 2. That's a throwback. Haven't thought about that in a while. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Ooh. Look at that. Apple mouse with ADB. These things are expensive. I mean, not like crazy expensive, but they're not cheap. This alone, I don't know, it's probably like 30 to 50 euros what this thing's worth. These things are rare. This guy told me this stuff was kind of rare, but I wasn't really sure why. We've got a whole bunch of books here. Beautiful. Oh, I absolutely, screw the PCs. I can't wait to get this thing set up. This is amazing. And it's all in the original boxing. I mean, how cool is that? Boxes are exciting. Look inside. Oh, I am looking inside. I am looking inside. Let's see what we have here. Mac OS 9. A book in German. Of course it is. So I'm not going to get a lot of use out of that because I'm super lazy with German. But this is, oh, the smart disk from Mac OS 9. Oh my. Oh my. All right, so it looks like we've got 2 pieces of foam here that come out. And then, oh, look at that. Power Mac G3 floppy drive, CD-ROM drive. Let's see what's going on in the back here. All right, standard power. Ooh, excellent. It's got a VGA graphics output. I was actually kind of worried about that. That looks like it's probably an add-on card anyway, because this is what I was expecting, this Apple business here. Onboard Ethernet is excellent. SCSI, I can't get enough SCSI in my life. I love it. Audio, looks like there was a spot for a modem here, but it was, I don't know, not added. That's fine. There's no point in having that. Oh, I forget the name of that. It's like the Apple accessory. Oh, I forget. I'm obviously very bad Mac person. I didn't get on board until the Intel days. Actually, no, that's not true. I had a G4 Mac Mini. That thing was dope. I'm gonna have to come back after I figure out how to open this, because otherwise you're gonna watch me struggle for 10 minutes and probably break it in excitement. But, oh man, this is, look at that. Honestly, this thing is in excellent condition too. I'm not gonna have to retrobrite it or anything. I'm just gonna have to wipe it down with a bit of alcohol, maybe vinegar, and this thing is gonna cruise. That is so exciting. So exciting. So exciting. SCSI, I can't get enough SCSI in my life.